You know, it's an 80-degree day outside today, but we are always getting ready, prepared for winter. It's one of our biggest seasons. We start working on snowplow trucks about the 1st of June, and we hopefully have them all finished up by October 31st, because on November 15th is when we go on call.
My name is Brian Hayhurst from Wonder Lake, Illinois. Worked for the DOT for 6 years. That's the shock absorber for the wing. It adjusts the pitch of the wing for it to scrape properly on the roads.
Currently I'm working on this truck. It's brought in for a summer PM to get ready for the winter time. I found that the kingpins were in need of being replaced, so I tore it down and currently putting it back together, clean up all the parts so that they fit together properly and seal up as they should. Doing a summer PM is important on the snow vehicles because we want to make sure that we have minimal breakdowns in the winter. Obviously there's going to be stuff here and there from the age of the trucks and different things that happen on the road, but as long as we keep most of the breakdowns to a minimum, we're going to spend less money on fixing the trucks.
So pretty much all summer long we are working on snowplow trucks, along with taking care of breakdowns with mowers and other vehicles, and setting up. We have 3 new plow trucks this year to install radios and a few other little miscellaneous, items, for driver comfort. So we, it's kind of, snow is a year-round thing for us here.